In this video, I will show you how to install Cinemana application on Android TV. Like subscribe to this channel if you find the video useful. So you want to install the Cinemana application on your Android TV and you don't have Google Play Store installed, here's what you can do. Now you're going to use this third-party application I love to say a lot called Downloader. Downloader is not a Play Store, it's not Google Play Store, it's just a third-party application that helps you to search files from across the internet and download to your Android TV. So as you go over to download that, if you don't have downloaded on your Android TV, check the description of this video. There is a guide there on getting downloaded to your Android TV. So once you get downloaded, you're just going to go over to here, this keyboard, and type in Cinema application or Cinemana app download, anyone you're comfortable with. But I'm just going to type in Cinemana app. When I type in Cinemana app, I'm going to click on go, and then downloader is going to show this as a result page to install the application to our Android TV. So as you can see here are various options. So you can use this option to install Cinemana application from up to down. This is a Play Store. You can use this Google Play Store. This is another one, but it's in Arabic, but it's still the same application. Here's another one in French. Now scroll through them. There are various options. Here's another option. Here's another. So there are many options. What you have to do is you just go through all of the options and see which one is better for you to use to install the application to your Android TV. Once you go to the best option, just go ahead and install the application. Like and subscribe to YouTube channel for more important videos like this.